Hello, and thanks for using TickBoom. In this video, I want to take a look at this little game where we get to calculate our next travel destination by working through a few mathematical steps. So the basic idea is we pick any number between 1 and 9, we multiply that number by 3, we then add 3 to the result, and then multiply that by 3 again. Now whatever that happens to be, we add the 2-digit number, and whatever that number happens to be is where we'll be travelling to. So it's kind of like a timely little fun game to play, given, at least in Sydney, we're all locked down and thinking about where we might go to when borders open. So what I might do is give you a moment so you can pause the video and have a go for yourself and see what destination you happen to get. Okay, so hopefully if you managed to get that to work, you would have gotten 9 for your result. No matter what number you picked between 1 and 9, you would have got 9, and 9 tells us that we need to stay at home. So this is a bit of a joke really, just trying to use a bit of mathematics to encourage everybody to stay home during the lockdown. But what I'd like to do now is investigate why. Why do we always get 9 no matter what number between 1 and 9 we pick to start with? So just in case you didn't get that to work, what I'll do is I'll just run through an example to show you the steps. So we pick any number between 1 and 9. So let's say I'll pick, say, 4. We then want to multiply that by 3, so times 3. That result we then add 3, so plus 3. That result we then multiply by 3 again, and then we want to add up the 2 digits. So here we've got 4 and 5, so 4 plus 5 equals 9. So here 9 says stay at home. That's our next travel destination. So what I want to do now is work out why. So let's, in terms of working through the math here, let's let x be our number, whatever number we chose, and we're told that we can pick any number between 1 and 9. So basically step 1 was to multiply that by 3. So after step 1 we'll have 3x, so we'll just leave the x as an unknown for now. Step 2 was then to add 3 to that result. So in doing that, we'd get 3x plus 3. Step 3 was to then multiply that by 3 again. So algebraically, we could write that as 3 times 3x plus 3. And then if we expand that, so if I expand this 3 through, what that would be equal to is 9x plus 9. And if I factor out that 9, we get 9x plus 1. And if we're picking an x between 1 and 9, what that means is x plus 1 will be between 2 and 10. Now, the interesting thing is that if you take any multiple of 9, so we've got 9 times something, any multiple of 9 actually between 2 and 10, even 1 and 10 really, the digits always add up to 9. So for example, if I did 2 times 9 equals 18, well, 1 plus 8 equals 9. 3 times 9 equals 27, 2 plus 7 equals 9, and so on. You could keep going. I've actually just released a short that kind of works through all of these, so you can go take a look at that if you like. I'll give a link. But basically the essence of why this little game works is because whoever came up with these steps knew that at the end of the day, no matter what number you pick out of these options, you'll end up with a multiple of 9, and all of those multiple of 9s have digits that add up to 9. So that's kind of why, it works. It's just a little piece of mathematical fun for lockdown, and kind of like almost a subtle public service announcement to encourage everybody to stay at home during the lockdown. So hopefully you found that interesting. Maybe it's something you can send to anyone who might find that fun. And yeah, there you have it. Tick boom.